What is up you guys? It's your boy. Teka lang It's your boy. What is up you guys? It's your boy and I am back for another video. So again, this is a free shirt. Pero bibigyan ko lang kayo ng update dito sa BRV model 2024 na binili ko. It's been with me for almost siguro magti 3 years na din, no? Pero I don't really know if this will make sense, pero gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na so far so good. I wanna thank the Lord for blessing me to being able or making me able to buy this car. This is the S variant, the base model. So all across the variants naman, SV and yung VX ba yun, do have the same engine. So bibigyan ko lang kayo ng quick update. So well, the use of a car is only for at least 1 to 3 times a week because I'm currently working from home. Pero sobrang solid nung BRV for those people who's looking for a compact 7-seater mini MPV, multi-purpose vehicle. You might want to consider BRV. There's a lot of competitors out there, pero siguro fuel consumption, guys, I've been to Nasugbo multiple times, 800 back and forth. Okay, unleaded po yung ating gasoline engine CVT 4-cylinder type. Kung di ako nagkakamali, correct me if I'm wrong, pero 800 pesos balikan na yun na Sugbo, Batangas. It really depends also. Instant auto eco mode din naman to. Kapag hindi ka masyado mabigat mag-top ng gasoline cylinder, wala ka rin namang problema. But again, this is an update lang naman sa ginawa kong video before about the Honda BRV 2024 model, and still it's currently being offered sa market. So if you guys are interested in checking this unit out, hindi po ako hente, pero always tip ko sa inyo is to have a test drive. I-book nyo na yan kasi mas maganda yung mafe-feel nyo yung laki, lapad ng sasakyan at nung driving capability niya. I hope this helps, but this is just a quick update with you guys, and happy watching.